Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today it's going to be some yard sailing, garage sailing, estate sales, moving sales, barn sales, whatever sales that I can encounter, we're there. So with that being said, hold on to your hats because it's going to be a good one today. It's looking like a beautiful day. Let's go do this. Hey, shout out to the pink car. And another special shout out to the hard workers of our country. Alright, leaving that yard sale. Let me drive over here. Got people over here waiting. Okay, good. Yeah, ended up buying this thing. Hey, shout out to the toilet. Alright, follow the signs. Going to a dead end over here. That's for sure. Check that out. Somebody's house over there and another house over here. Shout out to the sale sign. Alright, here we are. Straight ahead, it's on the right side. And there's gonna be a pain in the ass to park over here. I'm gonna just park right here. Hopefully I don't get bit by a damn snake. Yep, gotta be careful. There's the yard sale. Well, wish me luck. Yeah, a little bit of a walk. Any snakes? People over there. Oh, there's two of them. Another one over here. They're actually relatives. I'll go here first. This is the daughter, and that's the parents. Hopefully I find something. Hey, shout out to the goats. Somebody made that. That's metal. Looks nice. Okay, here we go, here we go. I've came here before, in case you were wondering. Okay, anything there? No. See if there's any nice shirts here. Sweet. That's cool. All extra large. Hello, how you doing? Good, thank you.
The perennial sunflowers. They call them tipitinas, but tipitinas are the purple flowers. These aren't tipitinas. But as they lay their seeds, but I like them because they swirl, they don't fuck with them. Because, you know what I mean? They don't fuck with them. No. And then
All right, enjoy your day.
Bye.
Thank you. All right, that's it for today. We're gonna go back to the shop and I'll share with you guys what we ended up finding. All right, back in the office. Not bad of a day, not bad of a haul, I must say. Now, if you see something that you're interested, hit me up on Instagram. That's where I'm at, full time at Full Throttle. We'll start over here. This here is a Rockford Fosgate amplifier. I think it's only 2 channels. Down below, vintage Sony little TV. I'll show you a picture of that right here. Off to the left, this was a cool find, an Atari. I never see Ataris for sale at a yard sale. I've been doing yard selling since 2015, straight through till today, and this is the first one that I've seen. Very clean condition, comes with these games. The paddles, right? It's called. 2 joysticks, and of course the power cord. And guess what? It's a 6 switch. I guess these are more popular or more wanted versus the 4 switches, I believe. So shout out to that by Atari. Check this out. You don't see this often as well. Nintendo Power magazines. And both the posters are in there. Let me see if I can open this up real quick. See what this one is. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty wild though. That throws me back to 1980s, 1990s. Probably the 90s, right? Off to the left, this is a leather case with a deck of cards inside. Thought that was pretty wild, so I grabbed that. Brand new too, unopened, sealed. Up here, I think Harbor Freight sells these. One of those infrared lasers. Digital, of course. I checked to verify it is brand new. Sometimes people open up these packages, they'll use it, and then put it back in there, and then resell it to people like me, and claim it that it's new at a yard sale. So I've been lied to a few times on that. Next one, I was really surprised to see this. It's the 001 model. What are these called? Nintendo. Let me open it up. Game Boy Advance SP. Turns on. No game. And the charger for it. I went ahead and I cleaned out these two and wrapped it up. Nice elastic. I wanted to see if this thing worked, so I cheated already, and I did that. So yeah. Little super soaker. Nothing special. I think it's a cheapie. Check this out. Marble lighter. I don't know. How's this open? I think I did that wrong. Oh, okay, I see now. There it is. See a spark, but probably needs to be filled up. Hey, shout out to Korea. Got a few knives. We'll get to those at the end. Usually don't grab this sort of thing, but I thought it was pretty cool. Nice color, a little darkened. Belongs up in a light pole, or did I say that right? Anyways, yeah, it's vintage. I'd say it's in pretty good condition other than being dirty and whatnot. So the guy that I got these is a knife collector. First one, Benchmade, OTF. This one's a vintage one. It's missing the screw. I'm sure I have a screw in the shop that can be utilized. Check that out. What is this one by? Here we go. Designed by McHenry. D2 steel. Of course, Benchmade. A little dirty. Yeah. Pretty wild, huh? This one here is a, forgot the name of it. It's in rough condition. I think I'm going to do a refurb on this once I get some energy. And it's, what was it again? Klein Tools, that's what it was. So yeah. This one, I'm liking this one. It's on an axis lock, Benchmade. I forgot the name of the model. By the way, the guy I got this from, he says he's got tons of Benchmades. He's a knife collector. It's in rough condition as far as the blade is not perfect. He said he spilled some kind of acid on here a while back. What is that over there? Yeah, who knows? And the logo got ruined, he said. But the action is good. Alright, that's all I have for you guys. Thanks for coming in, checking out this quick haul. You guys have a good one. Until the next one, take care.